Okay, so we're looking at question 8. Jake is making badges of different shapes. Badge B is in the shape of a trapezium, and badge A. Badge B is in the shape of a rectangle. So all the measurements are in centimetres, so we don't have to worry about the units. The perimeter of badge A and the perimeter of badge B are equal. So badge A, perimeter of A, and perimeter of B are equal. That means we can set up some sort of equation. If they're equal to each other, then let's work out what they are and we'll set them equal to each other. Perimeter. So we're talking about perimeter, and when I do perimeter in an area, think of area like this. So area with a multiply sign at the start, and perimeter. Perimeter with a plus sign for the T. So when you're doing perimeter, you're adding the sides. So let's add up the sides of shape A. So we've got this side, part of the perimeter, this side up here, around the shape. We're going to add up the entire shape. Okay, so x's, you've got 3x plus another 3x, that's 6x, plus one more x up here, 7x, and then another 3x there, so that's 10x for shape A. Numbers, I've got -2, +1, +1. Well, that's going to be 0, isn't it? So -2 add 1 is -1, add another 1 is 0, so it's just 10x. Shape B, add up the perimeter all the way round, adding up the whole perimeter. So let's label what the other sides would be. It's a rectangle, so opposite sides will be equal. So that's nice and straightforward. Add up the x's, so 2x, 6x, 8x, 12x. So that's 12x. Numbers, -5, -3, -8, -5 is -13, -3 more is -16. So we have an equation, and now we need to solve it. And the way that I would do this is I would probably start by taking off 10x from both sides. So take away 10x from here, -10x, and -10x from this side as well. Always do the same to both sides, so whatever you do to one side, do the same to the other. That leaves me with 0 there. It's an unusual move, I know, but let's see where it goes. And that leaves me with, leave me with 2x -16. Okay? Now I'm going to move the 16, I'm going to add 16 to both sides. So add 16 here. This is getting a bit messy, so do you mind if I just take this over here? So we had 2x -16 was equal to 0. Bringing this up here now. Add 16 to both sides, plus 16 there, and I get 2x equals 16. Divide by 2, both sides to get what x is. So x is going to be 8. So, hopefully, I didn't even read the question, did I? Hopefully that's going to be useful. So let's have a little look. Jake needs to work out the area. Okay, that is handy then. So the area of badge A. So badge A is this one here, the trapezium. If you want to work out the area, you're going to need to know what some of the lengths are. And to work that out, we need to know what x is. So x is 8, based on the equation that we managed to set up from the perimeters. So area of a trapezium is again something that we're going to have to try and think about and learn. We normally do A, B, and the height between the parallel sides we call h. Okay, and the formula is A plus B divided by 2, so you find the average of the two sides and you times it by the height. This is the area of a trapezium. Okay, so looking at R1, the parallel sides of these two. So this is going to be A and this is going to be B. Now what are they worth numerically? Well, x, we said, x is worth 8. So x here, that will be just 8. That will be 8 centimetres long. And this one is 3 lots of x minus 2. So 3 lots of 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. Take away 2 is going to give me 22. And we just need to put them into the formula now, those numbers. So a plus b divided by 2. So let's write this down. Where can we do this? Area. We'll do it down here. The area is going to be, we'll try and copy this formula that I wrote down here. So a is 8 plus b, which is 22. That needs to be divided by 2. And then times by the height, which is 24. So type that into your calculator. And I'm hoping that when you do that, you will get the correct answer. Let me just type that into my calculator. The area is going to be 360 centimetres squared. Okay? So just double check that on the calculator, make sure that works out, and that's how you do that one.